shadows out here, so gotta use the batteries in the sunlight that's left. Kind of.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lincoln County, northeastern Douglas County and northeast Washington, southern Ferry County and northeast Washington, southeastern Okanagan County and northeast Washington, western Stevens County and northeast Washington, northeastern Grant County and north central Washington until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Banks Lake to Wilbur to Harrington and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Omak, North Omak, Nesbiolum Community, Lincoln, Cooley Dam, Grant Cooley, Electric City, Wilbur, Elmira, Riverside, Elmer City, Nesbiolum, Creston, Telford, Disatel, Coffee Pot Lake, Govan, Baptist Junction, Twin Lakes and Spring Canyon Campground. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Areas of blowing dust are expected near and ahead of the thunderstorms. Motorists can expect poor visibilities and should reduce speeds accordingly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington: Douglas, Ferry, Grant, Lincoln, Okanagan, and Stevens.